We are seeing an uptick in vaccinations in many countries, but the Delta variant continues to have a worrying impact. Yahoo Finance senior healthcare reporter Anjalee Khemlani joins us now. Anjalee, what's the latest?
Thanks, Brian. Just like you said, both good and bad news. On one hand, we do have vaccinations on the rise as the Delta variant takes hold in the South. And we're seeing basically a repeat of what happened during the peak earlier this year, just absolutely ravage hospitals, et cetera. Down South, we've logged more than 100,000 cases per day at the end of last week. And we've also seen that hospitals are on the rise, almost at 50% rise, depending on the rolling average. Meanwhile, deaths have increased, but not by as much. And that's something that health experts have been focused on. And whether or not this all results in the need for lockdowns is something that Dr. Anthony Fauci did address. Listen to what he had to say about that.
So we're looking not, I believe, to lockdown, but we're looking to some pain and suffering in the future because we're seeing the cases go up.
So as you can hear, a lot of focus on that right now. Really, experts have been worried about this for some time, and we know that there are ongoing state-level efforts as well to look at how to increase vaccinations, because Fauci ended with saying that vaccinations are really the only way for the country to get back on track in curbing the transmission. Back to you guys.
And Anjalee, in addition to the state-level initiatives, the White House now trying to be at the forefront of encouraging vaccinations. What's the latest there?
That's right. We did hear from President Joe Biden, of course, with the incentivizing with $100 incentives at the local level and also mandating federal employees. But they're also going a step further and also trying to get those that are in the military as well required to get vaccines. That would take care of a very large portion of the population that may be hesitant, that may not have access or may not want to. So that's one part of it. In addition, we know that at the school level, at the local level, there are a lot of questions about what to do about in-person learning for the upcoming school year. And there are some states that are actually not going back to mask mandates, even though the Pediatric Association and the CDC have both recommended the use of masks indoors. So that's going to be interesting to see how that plays out and whether or not there's enough push for that right now in Florida. We know that school districts are risking a loss of funding, according to the governor there, if they do, in fact, reinstate mask mandates. So a lot of tussle, once again, almost like reading headlines from last year when it comes to mask mandates in schools.
Deja vu all over again. Anjalee Khemlani, thanks so much.